Welcome back, fellas, at TechExpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about Instagram. If you wanted to change your email using the actual Instagram, the process actually is not that hard. So let's get started in a very easy way. So the first thing you want to do is to sign in directly into your Instagram. Once you are directly inside here, I'm going to focus for my profile. And directly inside here, you want to look out for hit the three lines in the top right corner or the left corner. If you're using an actual desktop, the process actually is going to be the same. So look out for the option that says more, and here you want to look out for the option that says settings. You will see this blue meta banner at the top. This one's called the Account Center. The Account Center can be helping you, of course, to manage across devices or your Facebook, your Instagram, everything that actually works with Meta Centers. So look out for the option that says see more into the Account Center. This will be sending you right away here into the Account Center elements. Once you are directly inside here, what I wanted to do is to look for the personal and profile details and then tap to the actual contact information. This is will be showing you email and phone number linked to your identity. So what you wanted to do is to add your new email, which in this case it would be actually this one. So here you wanted to enter your new email address. For example, I'm going to get a little bit back and email. I go for techexpressvideos@gmail.com. When you finish, you want to look out for the option that says next. If you have multiple accounts in this center, make sure you check the box for the specific Instagram profiles you wanted to update. So Instagram will be sending you right away an actual verification code to your new email. You wanted to grab that code, you wanted to copy the code, and you wanted to paste it back into the application, so your email will be appearing now directly inside here. Now to change the public contact button, if you have a business or an actual creator account, changing your logged in email doesn't change the email button into your bio. So if you hit into the edit your profile, for example, you want to scroll through the contact options, let's say like this, and into my personal details, it usually appears into the account and security. You can change the element. So you wanted to save your changes. Now your private login and your public business contact are both updated. So if you lost access to your old email entirely, you may have to use the account recovery features. Instagram uses AI-powered video selfies to prove your own account if you can access your old email. It's creepy, but it works to get your account back in under 48 hours. So keep your contact information fresh so you never get locked out. If you're worried about your account security, you want to watch more videos, and we have a one into how to enable the two-factor authenticator to Instagram and Facebook. So if you have any question, you can let us know in the comment below. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We want to more great tools like this. Thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully you can all see you all next time.